But the lease on this Jag is coming due next month. So next month I will be returning the car. But I figure I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do something else. Now, if you're in the market for another car and you like this Jaguar, how would you like to have it? Because I'm just gonna return it. But I figure this: instead of returning it, if you want this car, you can have it. All you gotta do is just basically pay the buyout price. So the buyout on this Jag is, I wrote it down here. Let me pull out my piece of paper here. You can have this 2015 Jaguar F-Type. The buyout the lease is $57,967.20. So I looked up in the buy and sell, and all 2015 Jaguar V8S are selling around that price. But the main difference is this. Check it out. Let me show you the difference here. Zoom in. See that? This car only has 13,003 miles on it. So, because I hardly drive it. I mean, basically I just use it for I just use it for driving with John Chow, driving to Cars and Coffee, and driving to the .com lunch. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I don't race it. I mean, yeah, it's always been kept in the garage. It's in excellent condition. So let me show you around the car. See, there's not a, check out his wheels, not a single scuff on it and everything. All the wheels are like that. It's always been kept in the garage. And very, very low mileage. So, like I said, most Jaguar I see in the buy and sell are selling for around that price, you know, between $57,000 to $65,000. But you won't find many 2015 Jaguar with only 13,000 miles on it. So if you're interested and you want to take over this car, basically just contact me at johnchow.com. Preferably you live in Southern California, so it's a lot easier. Otherwise than that, I'm just going to return the car next month to Jaguar Newport Beach, and then that's it. So, but I thought I would just put this out there to see if anyone's actually interested in a nice low mileage sports car, very, very powerful, 495 horsepower, and it is the only Jaguar year where you can get a V8 and rear wheel drive only. So all the Jaguars are now on the V8 or 4-wheel drive. This is rear wheel drive only, so you could do some massive burnouts and power slide. I actually never done that, but I heard it's a lot of fun. So yeah. Yeah, so if you're interested, like I said, I just putting it out there. Like I don't want to make any money from this or anything like that. If you want it, just pay the residual and the car is yours. Otherwise, if nobody takes it, then I'm just gonna return the car and get something else. All right. So yeah, that's basically it.